TechnoGimp. Fix my exposure. Teach. Fix my exposure. Software demo. Learners fix overexposed and underexposed photos. List of topics. Basic parts of the GIMP interface. Materials. Computer. TechnoGimp workbook, pages 55 to 62. Do you have photos that are too dark or too bright? Fixing overexposed photos. Overexposed photos are images that are too bright. This mostly happens to photos when the subject was in extreme exposure to any source of light. You can easily edit overexposed photos using the brightness contrast tool in GIMP. Open the image file, overexposed1.png. This image is an example of an overexposed image. To fix an overexposed photo, simply decrease its brightness and adjust its contrast. To do this, go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Brightness Contrast. In the Brightness Contrast dialog box, decrease the A brightness to -40 and increase the contrast to 20. Adjusting the contrast can give more details in the highlights and shadows, but make sure to increase or decrease them moderately because doing it too much may create noise in the image. Try to tick the B split view option to compare the changes made. This option divides the photo into two sides, the edited and unedited side. This is what you will see when you tick the split view option. The adjustments you make with the brightness and contrast of the photo is shown on the left side, while the original setting of the photo is shown on the right side. Click on OK to apply the adjustments. The overexposed photo should now look darker than before. Fixing underexposed photos. Underexposed photos are images that are too dark. This mostly happens when there was little to no light when the photo was taken. However, like with overexposed photos, the brightness contrast tool in GIMP can fix it. Open the image file, underexposed1.jpg. This is an example of an underexposed image. To fix an underexposed photo, simply increase its brightness and adjust its contrast. To do this, go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Brightness Contrast. In the Brightness Contrast dialog box, increase the A brightness to 50 and increase the contrast to 25. Try to tick the B split view option to compare the changes made. In split view, you will notice that the left side of the image has become lighter compared to the underexposed right side of the image. Click on OK to apply the adjustments. The underexposed photo should now look brighter than before. Processing questions. Is it necessary to fix the exposure and contrast of an image? Why or why not? Check your understanding. We usually take photos to capture special moments. But sometimes, the photos turn out too bright or too dark. GIMP allows you to fix that by editing its exposure and contrast. In the next activity, we will practice fixing the exposure and contrast of different images.